line up near each other. Britton is a forward and Helgeson as a defenseman. We'll have to see if they come together in the early. Coming from miles away as Britton tees off with right hands on Helgeson, right up against the glass. Rabbit punches back by Helgeson. Sam Benton comes back with a right over the top, a left as well. He keeps firing as Helgeson turtles in the corner. Helgeson comes back with one uppercut. Benton still firing over the top this afternoon. And we're going to get an early penalty, and I think we're going to get some matching minors here as Liukas and Will Benton are going to drop the gloves all of a sudden. Liukas with a right hand over the top, and Will comes back with a field. To Ruslan is Hakov. Chips in the slot. Matt Maggio got a shot away and scored. Cholowski with its center point. Feeds left side, William Dufour. Dufour loves to shoot. He will. A save rebound, and there's Torensky to score. Stopping on the right wing, slipping it into the slot. Koivula. Koivula, extra feet in front. What a save with the right pass. At the right point, spins away from Koivula. Feeds the point. Conklin a one-time rip. Save made by Tikkanen. He will cut Abramov, another one-timer, and fighting that one off was Tikkanen. Now called net turning and firing Tikkanen, another save, a couple of broken out of the way. Dalen Kiefler in some discomfort as now Pino's in. Pino shoots and scores. Coughlin. Day in the dot, they win another one. Maggio left side centers it in front. Ellis a save on a redirection. T-Birds though don't clear the zone. Dufour at the right point takes a wrister blocker save. Ellis again, another rebound. Ellis made a second save on Maggio. He might need to make a third as Dufour shoots. Ellis another save, but the T-Birds again don't clear. Bolduc at the line. Into the play over the right wing. Across the ice, Duzak. Duzak left circle out to Brown, the one-time rip. Save made, rebound. They score. Abramov. Two. Duzak right wing circle with it, sends it to the front, save Tikkanen. Finds Abramov, extra feed. Oh, Tikkanen, what a save! Inside. Dufour across the Hutton, he shoots, muted out by Skinner, and Ellis finally comes out to Cholowski. Cholowski winding and shooting, Ellis a juggling save, he covers the rebound. Out to Cholowski. Cholowski winding and shooting, Ellis a juggling save, he covers the rebound. Need any more help. Islanders now with a net empty in front of them. Ellis is at the bench. Kubiak in across the line. Kuhlman shoots, he scores. Across to Malmstrom. Malmstrom will turn and shoot. It's blocked by Grant Hutton high in the air. It'll stay in play off the end glass. This game will come to an end, and the Bridgeport Islanders have won a 7th game in 11 tries against the T-Birds this season. They outshoot Springfield today 39-25, and their 3 first period goals end up being more than enough to get them yet another.